What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. And in this review, we have strap organizers. You guys, I am going crazy with strap organizers. Pretty much they are like the funnest thing to have, especially if you are into DIY or you're just a garage person, a gardening person, someone who have garden hose around, electric cords all around, and you have no way, well, you wrapping them up, but you just put them to the side and it's kind of unorganized. So we are going to go ahead, check this out. All right, let's check it out. All right, so you get 4 of them. These are pretty cool. Velcro, just like everything else. Now this is as wide as you get as far as opening goes. All right, and then you have a nice little hook which you can actually push in, so that's nice. But if you're going to put it on a hook, you could just slide it right on the hook. So the pushing part, didn't really matter, but it's cool to have it like this anyway. So that's about it. I will try to get some wires together so y'all can see what it's like when it's hooked up, and that will be it. So I'll catch y'all in a little bit. All right, you guys, so here's one of my extension cords that I have, and I just dropped that. So if you want to know the dimensions, this is about 11 inches from when I measured it, and I dropped it again. All right, so wraps around nice and easy. And that's it. So you can hang it up, put it up somewhere. So that will be it, you guys. If y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, put it in the comment section and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.